What's going on, guys? It's me, Vince, again with another video, and today I just want to show you guys a quick video about my latest install. So I recently installed these Baja Design S2 Sport as my chase light. As you can see, I chose the flood and spot pattern in amber. I did make a video of the install because I really just wanted to install it quickly earlier, but I'll just show you how I did it. So I ran the wire behind this bar right here, connected both of them, and zip tied it, and ran the wire down here, and I fed it through this little gap here. I don't know if you noticed, but I do have a bed rack and a bed cover as well. So how I did it is, like, I ran the wire through the railing of the bed cover, and I made a connector down here. I made it just in case I want to remove the bed rack. That way I don't have to splice any wire. I can easily just remove this. So yeah, after that I did a little hole here and fed the wire through it. So after that, sorry, my truck is really dirty, but the wire goes down through here, and I ran the wire all the way to the cab underneath, of course, and then I made a little hole. I didn't want to remove this, but I made a little hole underneath the cab and fed the wire in there and through the firewall going towards the engine bay. Here I didn't really have any options to where to put the switch anymore, so I put the switch down here. As you can see, it's the stock switch that came with the Baja Design. Probably gonna buy another switch and change this one, but how I did it is I just connected it straight to the battery. That way I don't have to turn on the engine if I want to turn on the lights. But yeah, as you can see, I can just turn it on like that, and you see the lights are on now. Ooh, those are really bright. So yeah, that's my chase light right there. And the reason why I connected it straight to the battery is that, like I said, I don't have to turn on the engine. And if you're working on something while you're camping, you have your lights on, or if you're just on the trail, these chase lights are good. But yeah, like there, you can just turn it off and they're off. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys like this video, and if you do, feel free to hit that like button, and please subscribe to help me grow my channel. Thank you. Catch you on the next video.